Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Runjay Patel. Guys, in this video I'm going to talk about onCellEdit client script. In previous couple of video I have talked about overview of client script, on load, on change and on submit. I have talked about the scenario based. I have written a logic, right? So if you have not watched the previous video, please go and watch that first, right? So that you will get all the concept related to client script. Fine. So in this video basically I'll be talking about onCellEdit client script. Let's say when we should write a onCellEdit client script. Anything is coming in your mind? No? Okay, so onCellEdit client script we will write whenever we want to do some kind of operations or validation on the list view, right? So let's say as of now all three types of client script which run on the form, but onCellEdit client script runs on the list view, right? So the all three which we have already talked about, that will be not applicable on um, not on basically that will be not applicable on list view. It will be only applicable for form view. So what if we want to prevent something on the list view, then do we have an option? The answer is yes. That is a onCellEdit client script. Fine. So once let's create the onCellEdit client script basically. So I think I have already created over here, so let me do it once again. I'll be opening a form similar way I'll be doing, right? Go to configuration and then I will go to client script and then click on new, right? And here by default table is already selected on cell edit client script, right? So here we have to select onCellEdit. So the moment we will select the onCellEdit, it will ask on which cell. Cell means basically we are talking about attribute or column. So we have to make sure that we have to select the field. So let's say we want to apply on state, right? So what we want to do, let's say okay, before that let's understand the object, predefined object which we have while selecting a onCellEdit, right? So sysids will give you all the sysids of the record which you are trying to edit it, right? So let's say if you are trying to edit in a bulk a state value, you want to change it in a bulk, then on that case it will give you a sysid list, comma separated sysid of those on list. Table means on which table this is getting applied. Old value means what is the old value for that particular selected record. And new value is what we something we call it as a like a new value which you are going to change it. Callback is again like here we are calling a function, so in this we are passing a result, right? Now so if you are passing a result, so here I have mentioned that okay, so these all value sysid consists of array sysid for all the item being edited, right? Table item being edited, old value, new value, callback. And if we are returning a true parameter, then a script will execute or change the committed no more script. If false, then pass as a parameter, right? So if you are passing as a true means you are allowing to edit. If you are passing as a false, then it means you are not allowing to edit it, right? So the scenario which I have written over here that prevent a state being edited from the list view of incident if a state marked as resolved or closed. So if any state any incident marked as resolved or closed, we don't want to make the editable from the form view also. So let's say what I can do, I can copy this one, this piece of code, and we'll write the same logic over here. Fine, let me just do it this way. So what I have done over here, So basically the new value is 6, means this is a resolved. If new value is 7, then this is a closed. So let me check what is the value for this, because that is for incident, but we want to make sure for this our we are applying on the my ticket, right? So let me select, let me check the internal value for close. We are making it for resolved 6 and close 7. So resolved, we have work and play close complete, we don't have resolved. So let's say close escaped and 7. So I will go with the 3, 4 and 7. So if these all are marked, then we are not going to allow to change it from the list view. So let's say 3 and 7, I think it was already there. Close incomplete was 4, and for 7 also, then we have to do it for 7, right? These all I will remove it, because this is for incident. Basically text also we can remove it, like we can make a text, right? So as you can see here, so if a state is 3, if someone is trying to edit from the list view, then we are just displaying a message, right? And then we are setting it save, or this is the variable. So in this we are setting a false, it means you are not allowed to edit it. So let's save this one, right? And now we have to refresh this once again, this list and the close one. So close complete is there, and then we are trying to make a change. So let's say I want to make it work in progress, done, happen. Okay, where is our client script? Let me check on a state. Okay, we have not saved it. Okay, fine. So now we have saved it. So let's say close complete, right? And then again we will refresh the list, and this time let's change it again, work in progress. Again this is happen. Okay, what it is happening now? Okay, whether we have a proper state or not. So this is also like a sometime while working on the script, if something is not working, that's why I'm showing you the live. You might be facing the same problem. So 3, 4 and 7 close complete is there. Okay, 3, 4 and 7, and then 3, new value, and then also we are good, we are doing good. Then where is the issue now? Save auto close it all, fallback function, data on cell data description, right? It is there, right? So let's say if I don't want to make it isolated, let me save this. Okay, this time I will change to incomplete, and let me refresh it again. So we have written on onCellEdit state, and we are making it false also, but okay, let's see this time. Okay, open. Oh no, it's not working at all. So this is not going. So new value. Okay, and let me put alert what value we are getting, because it is not going inside, right? So new value just okay, we'll see what value it is printing now. So for this list, and here we will just click on complete, then we are getting 3. Okay, okay, got it. So if it is already 3, so we are checking a new value. Okay, so if we are checking a new value, old value is, so okay, instead of new value we have to check the old value, correct? So now this time it should work. So let me close this one. Fine. And now what we will do, we'll refresh it. Okay, and now this time we will try to close it. So if I will close, so old value it will give me 3, and I want to change it to something else, then it is giving 2. Okay, that's fine, but you cannot change the state is resolved, right? So now it's working, correct? You got it. So new value I was changing it to 2, then it was not executing this one, because value was not 3, 4 and 7 we were getting, right? So this all about this one, right? onCellEdit client script. So if you have any doubt, please reach out to Telegram. You can chat me over there, right? And for all the documentation, you can visit my blog, servicenow.com. Here I have already written all the blogs. So service this one, client script related, all the document which I was explaining, you can find it over here. You can just go here and just search for the client script, you'll get it. So all type of client script in ServiceNow, onCellEdit, onSubmit, everything I have written over here. Thank you, thanks for watching. See you in the next video.